I'm Matt Gilloth with Daman Products, where we go beyond manifolds into manifold solutions. About 60% of what we do is custom work. Of those custom manifolds, we can make manifolds that are between 1 pound and 6,000 pounds. We can also make those manifolds out of several different types of material, including aluminum, ductile iron, steel, stainless steel, and many grades. On those materials, we can also provide coatings such as anodizing, electroless nickel, black oxide. Recently, we've added the ability to provide and install valves into those manifolds for complete integrated circuits. Along with that, we've also added a line of cavity bodies to our standard product line. On the 60% custom side of the manifold business, we can design from circuit with 10 full-time design engineers. We can build from your supply drawing. We can reverse engineer. So there's many ways we can support you with value-added services in your custom manifold integration packages. So your one-stop shopping needs for integrated manifold solutions is Daman Products.